In this video, you'll learn how to balance the alkalinity level in your hot tub's water. If not balanced correctly, it can lead to cloudy water, corrosion, and skin and eye irritation. Step 1. Test the water in your hot tub with a FreshWater 5-way test strip to determine the alkalinity level. The alkalinity level in your hot tub should be between 40 and 120 parts per million. If the alkalinity level in the water is too high, you'll need to use FreshWater pH/alkalinity down to decrease it. If the alkalinity level is too low, you'll need to use FreshWater pH/alkalinity up to increase it. Step 2. Follow the directions on the FreshWater pH/alkalinity down or pH/alkalinity up bottle to determine the correct dosing for your hot tub. Always add the spa water chemicals directly into the filter compartment while the jet pump is running in its highest speed mode and leave it running for at least 10 minutes. Step 3. After treating the water, wait for at least 30 minutes if you used FreshWater pH/alkalinity down or 3 hours if you used FreshWater pH/alkalinity up. Step 4. Retest the water using a FreshWater 5-way test strip. If additional dosing is required to reach the correct alkalinity level, wait for at least 12 to 24 hours before you add more FreshWater pH/alkalinity up or pH/alkalinity down to the water. This time is needed for the water to fully stabilize. Repeat the balancing steps as necessary until the alkalinity level is between 40 and 120 parts per million. Follow the directions provided in the other videos in this series to continue balancing your spa water.